Today I'm going to show you how to play Blu-ray videos in VLC on Windows 10. First, you need to go to these three links which I've put in description. You need to get VLC, you need to download MakeMKV, which will live process the video so VLC can see it, and you need this beta key, which I've put all three links into the description. So we've just downloaded MakeMKV. I'm going to assume you've already got VLC installed on the system. You just go through all these and make sure that you've got this installed. So we'll install this. Once that's done, we'll run MakeMKV, and then we go to help, and we should be able to get to, here we are. Once the disk is loaded, we'll click register, get this code, and then put it in here. So we'll restart MKV. You want to go to View, Preferences, and Integration. You want to click on VLC, but I'm going to click on all three for other programs as well. Once you press Apply and OK, that's fine. Open up VLC, Media, Open Disk, Blu-ray, and press Play. The disk will start loading. And there we are. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped let you play Blu-ray discs on Windows 10. This is the honest to God easiest solution to getting Blu-rays working without some other paid software, which you shouldn't need to do. Remember to subscribe, like, and share it to whoever else needs this, and leave a comment below if you've got any issues. Thanks.